This is the garden, and this is the machine which I've ordered, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and show you guys what comes inside it. I'll just quickly tell you about this machine. It's the UniversalRotak 450. It's a big machine. The reason I got this machine is it just came out now, so I ordered it from Germany. It's not available in the UK. The 550 series, I suppose, is available in the UK. So this is the 450 one. There are a few differences. You guys can Google it and check it out. So this one is more of easy, universal and advanced. This one's universal. So I'll go ahead and open the box. It says over here, there's a warning. It says sharp blade, which you need to be careful. That's the sort of collection bin where the grass is going to be collected. The handle comes with the instructions. So guys, this is the machine itself. Get these two sort of levers. Really big booklet. So it says R over here, so that's going to go on the right side. That's left. The problem is that it comes with this sort of plug, and you need a separate attachment for this plug. Apart from that, I mean, it's not too heavy, and that's how it looks. Here you go. Bottom of the machine. Here we go. There's very, very sharp blades. That's how it is. So it's quite flimsy. But one of the problems is what I'm facing is that it doesn't come up with the power cord. So you guys, whoever's going to order it from eBay or from Amazon, I would say to you, rather be careful, because you know, if it doesn't come with a power cord, how the hell are you going to use it? So I'm pretty much stuck. It's pretty much useless. I contacted the supplier, and I've given a call to Bosch as well. There's nothing except for the manual and the box and the machine. So that's it. I mean, without the cord, can't do anything. And another thing which I wanted to tell you, which I can't find on YouTube anywhere. So basically, this is the lid, and I am going to just pick up the lid. And if you look inside, the problem is, you see there's a gap over here. So once this box gets full of grass, how would you be able to remove it without the grass spilling? See, so there's no way that the grass won't spill. So the grass is going to spill on the garden or the floor, which really fails the purpose of this collapsible box. So I'm guessing this is sort of a design defect, and wouldn't really suggest you guys to buy this machine if you are planning to. I was thinking it's going to be a really good one, but the model isn't. I mean, it looks good, but it's not really what I was looking for. And so guys, just let me know your opinions if you have any, and your comments in the comment section. Another thing which I've noticed is that, you know, it doesn't really sit very well. But yeah, the main issue is with the box over here, the collapsible box. So you know, the grass can pretty much spill. So guys, that was my quick review for this Bosch lawnmower, which is the UniversalRotak 450. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.